Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Everest from Paw Patrol. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. We make the intersection slight towards left side, as we draw in 2/3 view. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw chin. Draw eye sockets. Draw eye sockets. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw cap. Draw cap. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw a circle below head for rib cage. Draw badge on the neck. Draw muffler on the neck. Draw a small circle at the right side for the pelvis. These two circles create a basic body shape. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw leg. Draw paws. Draw paws. Draw leg. Draw backpack. Detail the backpack. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.